Yeah, we just arrived. We parked the motorbike there and we are. It's an art village. You have a lot of small shops of everything. Coffee, bakery, souvenir shop, jewelry. Alright, let's visit it and let's make a bit of shopping. So that's a small place, very cute place. It's very authentic art craft. There is no tourist type of souvenir, you know, where you can see everywhere around the temples, for example. This is a true small artisanal village where you have a lot of workshop, DIY about jewelry, pottery, paintings also. It's really nice, really beautiful. There's a true vibe of hippie roots a little bit, and also plenty of coffee, of place where we can have a breakfast, a lunch also, I guess, smoothie, coffee. It's really nice. It's not very big, so if you do not plan to have a lunch or to buy a lot of stuff, you do the tour quite quickly, like 30 minutes maximum, which is quite fun. So yeah,